Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews on the latest automotive products. Today, we're diving into the best diesel treatment available on the market, Hotshots Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. Let's uncover what makes this product stand out from the rest. Dive into the features of the Hotshots Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment 16-ounce squeeze bottle. Emphasize that this product is designed to provide daily care for your engine, enhancing performance and engine health. Highlight the key features of the EDT, such as boosting cetane up to 7 points for better fuel economy and maintenance. Discuss how it adds lubricity to protect the fuel system, prevents rust, corrosion, and disperses moisture for added fuel stability. Explain how using the EDT can lead to increased power, improved throttle response, and reduced DPF regen cycles. Mention the benefits of improved fuel efficiency, engine cleanliness, and overall engine performance. Guide viewers on how to use the Hotshots Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment effectively for optimal results. Discuss the dosage recommendations and the frequency at which the product should be used. Provide background information about the manufacturer, Lubrication Specialties, Inc., and the Hotshots Secret brand. Mention any warranty or support information available for the product. Summarize the reasons why the Hotshots Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment is the best choice for diesel engine care. Encourage viewers to consider trying out this product to experience improved engine performance and longevity. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful product reviews. Stay tuned for our next episode.